Okay. So benzene undergoes generally what type of reaction? Up till now we know that he generally undergo substitution type of reactions rather than addition reaction. Now what are the reasons behind those all that we are going to study now? Okay. So benzene undergo substitution rather than addition reaction. So Kekulé has put forth a structure in front of us, that is benzene is one gas. We could call it as a cyclohexatriene. The cyclohexatriene and benzene are nothing but same. See what is the structure of cyclohexane? There is absence of number of double bonds, or not a single double bond will be present. So cyclohexatriene means a cyclohexane containing 3 number of double bonds in their structure. That means benzene and cyclohexatriene are same. So we would expect this cyclohexatriene must appear, or he must behave like a similar compound like that of cyclohexadiene and cyclohexene. Cyclohexadiene is a compound in which cyclohexane containing 2 number of double bonds, and cyclohexane, a cyclohexane compound containing a single number of double bonds. So the cyclohexatriene, that means benzene, must behave like cyclohexadiene and cyclohexane, because as like that of alkenes. What are alkenes? A carbon-carbon double bond containing compound. So cyclohexadiene contain 2 number of double bond, cyclohexene contain a single double bond. So as like that of these two compounds and alkenes, as benzene is also going to possess number of double bonds in their structure, he must behave like these two compounds. But this is not the case. In the case of benzene, benzene will not go for addition reaction. He will go for only substitution reaction. As alkenes generally undergo what type of reaction? Addition reaction. But benzene reacts either. Benzene will react either or nor at all, or it will react to the addition reactions very slowly. So we are comparing the cyclohexene with benzene molecule. So this is the structure of our cyclohexene, and this will be our structure of benzene molecule. So while we are comparing both these compounds in terms of some of the reactions. So first reaction is, if we are using a reagent potassium permanganate in the cold and dilute solution, if it reacts with cyclohexene, cyclohexene is containing a single double bond in the structure of cyclohexane. What happens? It will undergo rapid oxidation reaction. But in the case of benzene, there will not be any reaction, because in the case of oxidation, that oxygen will be added in the structure of cyclohexane. But this is too much compact structure. This will not allow easily oxidize itself in the presence of dilute potassium permanganate. Now in the case of second one, addition of bromine and carbon tetrachloride. In this cyclohexene compound, there will be a rapid addition of compound takes place. But in the case of benzene, again there is no reaction. Addition of hydrogen iodide, rapid addition, no reaction. But if we are using a reduction reaction in the presence, or hydrogenation in the presence of nickel and hydrogen, in the case of cyclohexane, it will undergo rapid hydrogenation, normally at room temperature, that is at 25 degrees centigrade. But this is not the case in the case of benzene molecule. It will require some temperature 100 and 200, and this much amount of pressure is required by the benzene to undergo hydrogenation reaction in the presence of hydrogen and nickel. Now some of the another reactions benzene is undergoing. In the place of addition, again, benzene will go for substitution reactions. We know up till now the benzene easily not go under for easy addition reaction. So in the place of addition, benzene readily undergoes a new set of compounds all involving substitution, and some of the substitution reactions are: number one, nitration, sulfonation, halogenation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, and Friedel-Crafts acylation. Now, what are the previous reactions? That is nitration. All these reactions in coming lectures we are going to see in detail what is the mechanism of these all reactions. Till then, here we are discussing only the substitution. So benzene is undergo substitution in the presence of nitrous acid. So there is in the presence of sulfuric acid and nitrous acid, benzene will converted into a nitrobenzene, what is a byproduct. He is also undergo sulfonation reaction in the presence of sulfuric acid. So formation of benzene sulfonic acid. See, already we have discussed one of the hydrogen atom of benzene will be replaced by that substituent group. So there is formation of nitrobenzene, there is formation of benzene sulfonic acid. Now benzene is also undergo halogenation reaction. Again, one of the hydrogen atom of benzene is substituted with a chlorine. In the presence of ion, it is converted into chlorobenzene. In the presence of again ion and benzene will be converted into a bromobenzene derivatives. In case of Friedel-Crafts alkylation, benzene is undergo addition of alkyl reagent in the presence of aluminum chloride. Again, one of the hydrogen is substituted with alkyl group, so formation of alkyl benzene, and addition of acyl group by using an acyl chloride in the presence of again aluminum chloride. There is formation of a ketone derivative. So likewise, in all the reactions we have seen that benzene is undergo substitution type of reaction. So each of these reactions, an atomero group has been substituted for one of the hydrogen atom of benzene. This we have already discussed. The product can itself undergo further substitution of the same kind. The fact that it has retained the characteristic properties of benzene indicate that it has retained the characteristic structure of benzene. What we have seen up till now, benzene will not allow addition reaction. It is also going under for substitution reaction. So there is a characteristic property of benzene indicates that it has retained the structure of benzene. It will not allow easily to enter any molecule in the structure of benzene. So he has retained the structure as it is. It would appear that benzene resists the addition, in which the benzene ring system would be destroyed. If benzene is undergo any addition type of reaction, that time the structure of benzene would destroy, whereas it readily undergoes substitution reaction in which the structure of benzene is preserved. The structure will not be disturbed at all. That's why benzene is generally undergoing what type of reactions? Substitution type of reactions. Now, a very important property of benzene we are going to study, that is resonance. Why they are going to give the resonance? What are the properties to give the resonance? How many contributing structures are there for the resonance? This we are contributing structures of the benzene undergoing resonance. This we are going to study in this. Now, the Kekule structure of benzene we know very well. While admittedly unsatisfactory was generally used by the chemist up till 1945. The current accepted structure did not arise from the discovery of new fact about the benzene, but it is the result of an extension or some of the modification in the structure of benzene. And what is that modification? That modification is a concept of resonance. What is resonance? So resonance theory is given by Kekulé. What is this resonance theory? Whenever a molecule can be represented by two or more structure, any molecule, if we are representing by two or more structure that differ only in the arrangement of electrons. See, if we are representing a same structure by two different formulas, two different structural arrangement, by differing only in the position of electron by the structure that have same arrangement of atomic nuclei. We are not changing the nucleus or we are not changing the molecular formula of the structure, but simply we are changing the arrangement of electron in the case of resonance. What is the condition number 1? When a molecule can be represented by two or more structure, एकापेक्षा जास्त स्ट्रक्चर आपण जास्त स्ट्रक्चरने आपण एखादा कंपाउंड जर आयडेंटिफाय करत असो, दाखवत असो, or in the arrangement of electron, that structure must differ in the only arrangement of electron. The nucleus or the respective or remaining atomic structure will not change. Only there is change in the arrangement of electron. Now, when these contributing, second condition, first condition is resonating structure, two structures or 2, 3, 4, whatever number of structures, there must be change in the only arrangement of electron. The remaining atomic nuclei is the same as it is. There will not be any change. Second condition, when these contributing structure are of about same stability, whether these number of structures are 2, 3, 4, n number, these all structure must have same stability. If we are going to break the structure, though, or if we are going to do some type of addition reaction in those all structures 2, 3, 4, we require same amount of energy to break down those structures. That all 2, 3 structures, any number of structures will be broken down by same amount of energy. That is, have about same amount of energy content. Then resonance is important. The contribution of each structure to the hybrid depending upon the relative stability of the structure. What is the meaning of the word hybrid? See, here I have given the picture of hybrid structure of benzene. The hybrid means in this, the electron or the double bond conjugation in the benzene is all over the ring. That dotted line will representing the double bond will migrate from every carbon atom in this ring. This is the hybrid structure of benzene. So what we have discussed in condition number 2, when these contributing structures are of about the same stability, that same amount of energy will be required to break the structure. The contribution of each structure to the hybrid depending upon the relative stability of that structure. The more the stable structure, make the larger contribution. So this is the structure of hybrid structure of benzene will give the more contribution to the resonance of the benzene structure. The resonance hybrid is more stable than any of the contributing structures. See, this is the resonant hybrid structure of benzene is more stable than any of the contributing structure. This increasing in stability is called as resonance energy, and the more nearly equal in stability and contributing structure, the greater the resonance. So More the stability in the structure, more will be the resonance energy. Now forget about aromatic or benzene like compounds. There are